And we're at the Venetian. Going to take a look at Suite 22-315. This is a fairly standard suite. Got a digital room key. So use your phone, and so here with you, as you can see, Mrs. Coaster already here enjoying things. It's a nice entrance, big bathroom, and there's us. Got a little makeup stand area, dual sinks, and a nice, there's a tub if you want to do the tub thing, and there's also a shower, glassed-in shower. I've stayed here before, but it's been a long time, but I remember the showers are pretty good. So it's a big suite. Big, and here's the private separate bathroom area with a toilet. So this is the bathroom. It's a nice big bathroom. And we walk into the rest of the suite. Suites are standard at the Venetian, so it's a big room. A bed area here. With a couple of lamps, phone. There is a closet space to the right here. With some hangers, and looks like there's an ironing board, luggage stand, a robe. Not to take home, I would imagine. I'm sure that you could if you wanted to pay for it. That is the closet area here. There is a settee right here in front of the bed. This is a king size. So 3-drawer nightstands, old digital clock here. Now, as we whirl around and face the other direction, here's the dresser with the many drawers and TV that is overlooking the bed. And this is your standard drawer space. There's a bunch of those with it's got the soft close feature, which is nice. And then there's an additional cabinet with some shelves right here. And a identical cabinet with shelves on the other side. Also with the soft close feature. So that's what is up here in the bed area. Now, it is a suite, so we also have this nice living area space just down a couple of steps here. There's a nice little railing kind of separating the two. So we'll take a couple steps down, and this is going to be the living area. They're nice big rooms. They're comfortable rooms. Nice big coffee table. Yeah, we could have played a game on this if we'd brought a big game. Work desk here with 3 plug outlets right here on top, which is great. Right on top, easily accessible. There is a light and a switch right here. So that definitely good amount of workspace. There's a drawer here. Looks like just one drawer in the center if you wanted to store something here while you're staying. As we look around, we've got another TV in view of the couch. And looks like there are some waters. These are all going to be for purchase items here. Waters and some snacks. And I believe there is a mini fridge in here, but this is for purchase only. There's not going to be any room for your just storing your extra water, or if you picked up some beer. If you touch anything in that refrigerator, it is going to charge you. So we're not going to mess with that. Now there are a couple of drawers here too. These are very deep drawers. So that's good. Also with the soft close feature. I love the soft close feature on those. And then we do have a round table with 3 chairs here. Only two of us, so we'll have no problem switching between those chairs. And let's take a look at our view. We did not pick a prime premier view. We are on the 22nd floor, so we're a ways up, but it looks like we're looking over the convention center. Let's see if we can hoist this somehow. Oh, Mrs. Coaster has found the automatic switch to raise the blinds. So yeah, we do have a automated blind unit. So yeah, if we look down, we kind of got a view of the convention center and the dome. We'll talk about that in a second, but you do have a good view of the mountains. You can see a Westgate Hotel in the background. The mountains are pretty. Just about any of the views in most of the hotels are not bad. You get the mountains, and that's always a nice view. We'll see plenty of the Strip for sure. The dome is going to be like a huge concert venue experience, and the outside of it is going to be very visual. It's going to light up and have projections of what's going on inside, and it's supposed to be really epic and incredible. I guess we'll see what happens when it gets done, but that is under construction right now. So that is the Venetian. That is a tour of a Venetian king-size suite. It's a nice, good-sized room, and there's plenty of amenities. Now, as far as outlets over here, I don't see. Okay, there's outlet right there. So there are a couple of outlets by the bed. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos, Vegas and otherwise, at Mr. Coaster 1. Subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends. There's going to be a lot more videos to come, but this is a tour of the Venetian king-size bed suite. Remember, have a good time all the time.